Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we hear it. Aidonia. We hear it. Aidonia. Don't know. With battles. Aidonia battles. So this, I believe, is on the Street Vibes Thursday. The Street Vibes rhythm. Not nice. Pick up Not Nice. Doing an amazing job bringing up this rhythm. So far we have Labas on the rhythm. Now it's Aidonia's time. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Cantande. GS give me weed and hope leave hot rubber. Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, choke back in your fat mother. Rifle me fire ti jack hammer bill.
Yo, pull up. Let's go.
Cantande. GS give me weed and hope leave hot rubber. Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, choke back in your fat mother.
Bombo clot can't stop the ball game. So him go to woman big up Salah. If you know Salah is on watch Premier League.
Fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky.
So him say big ball game can't stop Salah. So he might tell say yo, I'm a striker, Salah. You don't know Salah from Liverpool, then the G. Then he move on and say yo, chuck back in your fat mother.
Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, choke back in your fat mother. Rifle me fire ti jack hammer bill.
Rifle me fire jack hammer. So he must compare the rifle sound to a jack hammer. You know, see when a jack hammer dig road or something more time. I saw it at the same thing I go on with the rifle and the jack hammer. You know.
Hope leave hot rubber. Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, choke back in your fat mother. Rifle me fire ti jack hammer. Mill for the 17 built-in Glock hammer. We no follow back a girl frack, nah.
We no follow back a girl frack, no. So if a girl want go and she gone, man, watch a girl gone.
Hammer bill for the 17 built-in Glock hammer. We no follow back a girl frack, nah. Not nice, but them know about this. When a bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance.
Go back. What them know about this? What them know about did they? Tell them not sleep, innah. Tell some pussy not sleep on your career, innah, did they? What go on?
Jack hammer, bill for the 17 built-in Glock hammer. We no follow back a girl frack, nah. Not nice, but them know about this. When a bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in her shoes, musty chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start.
I would have tonight, order that. Ja Vinci there. Who else me see a while ago? Me see somebody a while ago. It's Ja Vinci and somebody else. Who else me see?
Know about this when a bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in her shoes, musty chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up me shots.
Buckler, girl in a something short, make him something start. Move up his shots. Hey.
Na bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in her shoes, musty chalk.
Buckler, they can't do this one time, not stop.
Cantande.
So we see Labas, rough it up.
GS give me weed and hope leave hot rubber. Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, stroke back in your fat mother. Rifle me fire, ti jackhammer. Bill for the 17, built-in Glock hammer. We no follow back a gal frap, nah, not nice, but them know about this. When a bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in no shoes, bossy chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up me shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up, food.
She say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog. Even though she find out that the G fuck her friend, just still want game peace. Cause you don't know the life.
Move up my shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up, food 30 sharp. Swing money pon the squad, cause the soup of your breath, alright.
Bumbo clap, pay off squad it. Fling money pan squad it, cause the soup of your breath. The soup of your breath too.
Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up my shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up, food 30 sharp. Swing money pon the squad, cause the soup of your breath, alright. Waitress and bodies over here, bad man that you be your mothers over here.
Bumbo clap, waitress and bodies over here. Bad man the hey! Yeah, no man, I didn't we talk about it now. One time when I mention lyrics in a dance hall, if did it not in the top chair in the top 4, on now mention lyricist dog. Go away, man.
Dog, police want lock it up, food 30 sharp. Swing money pon the squad, cause the soup of your breath, alright. Waitress and bodies over here. Bad man that you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bodies of Bel Air.
Bumbuckler, Rick. Oh. Send bottles of Bel Air. You deaf? Oh.
Far right, waitress and bodies over here. Bad man that you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bodies of Bel Air. Bodies over here. Can't stay there. Bodies over here. Can't stand there. Bodies over here.
Yo, did you play with the lyrics with the dog? Yo, did you have fun, dog? You can't stay there. You can't stand there. Have fun, bro.
You know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bodies of Bel Air. Bodies over here. Can't stay there. Bodies over here. Can't stand there. Bodies over here. Inna the place of the bodies over here. The back a rock that at the center. Me girl inna the place. Man run up inna them belly. Girl a play hard. Me ya go fuck it eventually. Jeep.
Bumbo claw. Your lyrics are chop you. Your lyrics in the second verse, dog.
Candy. Bodies over here. Inna the place of the bodies over here. The back a rock that at the center. Me girl inna the place. Man run up inna them belly. Girl a play hard. Me ya go fuck it eventually. Jeep a can. Engine for the Benz heavy.
Bumbo claw. He's man. He's not nice. What one?
Can't stand there.
This man your fuck.
Just give me weed and hope leave hot rubber. Pocket full of some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Shine rocky vibes, stroke back in your fat mother. Rifle me fire, ti jackhammer. Bill for the 17, built-in Glock hammer. We no follow back a gal frap, nah, not nice, but them know about this. When a bad sign drop, gun pop off, shoot up it dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in no shoes, bossy chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up my shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up, food 30 sharp. Swing money pon the squad, cause the soup of your breath, alright. Waitress and bodies over here. Bad man that you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bodies of Bel Air. Bodies over here. Can't stay there. Bodies over here. Can't stand there. Bodies over here. Inna the place of the bodies over here. The back a rock that at the center. Me girl inna the place. Man run up inna them belly. Girl a play hard. Me ya go fuck it eventually. Jeep a can. Engine for the Benz heavy. Girl a send kitty. Me band a fly in. Mo be a second city. Me tell
girl, I send kitty and then I fly in for be a second city. Yo!
An engine for the Benz heavy. Girl, I send kitty. Me band a fly in, mo be a second city. Me tell Villa say hi, like a friend pretty. I coulda Henny or sent me money off his spend, you see. Waitress and bodies over here. Bad man that you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bodies of Bel Air. Bodies over here. Can't stay there. Bodies over here. Can't stand there. Bodies over here. Inna the place of the bodies over here. Gun pop off, shoot up a dance. Me just go fi booze, bossy cock. Air Force white in her shoes, musty chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up me shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up. 230 sharp, swing money pon the squad, they got the soup off your bra. Far right, waitress and bottles over here, bottles over here. Bad man, there you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bottles of Bel Air. Bottles over here, bottles over here. Can't stay there, bottles over here. Can't candy, bottles over here. In the place of the bottles over here.
Then Rick Ross and ching. Oh, that did have fun, dog. Bottles over here. Oh, Buckler, did you have fun, dog? Did you have real fun, brother? Did you have real fun in this? Not nice, big up yourself. Not nice, big up your fucking self, dog. Bring back the infamous street vibes. We say Canada fuck it up with here with Boop Boop. Make a fuck up the weekend. Bad Bumbleclaw track. Now we have Diddy on the rhythm. Who else do the one on the rhythm? I think Cartel should definitely on the rhythm. I think the teacher should definitely on the rhythm. Who else want to sit on the rhythm? Who else want to hear on the rhythm? I think Javinci is going to drop on the rhythm because obviously Javinci work with not nice. So it's only right we put Javinci on the rhythm. I think Javinci is on the rhythm, but him song not drop yet. Still, who want to sit on the rhythm? Talk no man. Definitely in the comment section, no man. Which artist you want to see on the rhythm where if deal with the rhythm bad? Party get justic, get some street vibes, room from Tad Quick, get some sanitary cup in the plastic bag. Jano, somebody get ice. Not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine. Come on. Anyway, we party. Yo! Yeah, bad blood clot song, Diddy. Big up yourself. That one is refreshing. I like it. Yeah. Good to see Diddy having a lot of fun in our music with them. So, big up yourself, Diddy. Let me know what you guys think about it, though. Overall, of the whole concept of these infamous hit rhythms from then coming back now. Let me know what you guys think about them. Let me know who else you want to see on the rhythm. And if you want to see the La Bass reaction on the same rhythm, look on the screen now, you're going to see it. You see me? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Huh? Jump on there. Bottles over there.
Air Force white in her shoes, musty chalk. Girl in a something short, make me something start. Move up me shots, she say you fuck my friend enough. You dirty dog, police want lock it up. 230 sharp, swing money pon the squad, they got the soup off your bra. Far right, waitress and bottles over here, bottles over here. Bad man, there you be your mothers over here. Campari, you know I got it over here. Tell Rick Ross and bottles of Bel Air. Bottles over here, bottles over here. Can't stay there, bottles over here. Can't candy, bottles over here. In the place of the bottles over here.
Jamaica's worst gamer.